How to make your baby's skin glow. 5 tips for new parents. As new parents, you naturally want your baby's skin to be healthy and glowing. Here are 5 tips to help you achieve just that. Keep the skin moisturized. Proper hydration is key to maintaining your baby's skin health. Use a gentle, hypoallergenic moisturizer specifically formulated for babies to keep their skin soft and hydrated. Apply the moisturizer after bathing and as needed throughout the day, focusing on areas prone to dryness like the cheeks, elbows, and knees. Protect from the sun. Sun protection is essential even for babies. Shield your baby's delicate skin from harmful UV rays by keeping them out of direct sunlight, especially during peak hours. Dress your baby in lightweight, breathable clothing that covers their skin, and use a baby-friendly sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher on exposed areas. Use gentle, baby-friendly products. Opt for mild and hypoallergenic products specifically designed for baby's sensitive skin. Avoid harsh soaps, fragrances, and chemicals that can irritate or dry out the skin. Look for products labeled as baby-friendly or pediatrician recommended. Maintain a clean environment. Keep your baby's surroundings clean to minimize exposure to allergens and irritants. Regularly clean their bedding, toys, and play areas. Avoid using strong cleaning agents or fabric softeners that can leave residues and cause skin irritation. Maintain a healthy diet. Your baby's skin health is also influenced by their diet. Breast milk or formula provides essential nutrients for their overall well-being, including their skin. As they grow older and start solid foods, introduce a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains that are rich in vitamins and antioxidants to promote healthy skin from the inside out. Remember, each baby is unique, and their skin may have different needs. If you notice any persistent skin issues or concerns, it's best to consult with your pediatrician for personalized advice and guidance.